Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Grace Lauren Fernandez, 23 years old, from Barotac Viejo, Iloilo. Graduated from Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College, taking up Bachelor in Elementary Education.
So you are a teacher,
Yes, ma'am.
previous grade teacher,
No, ma'am.
but you finished the 4-year course.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are teaching for high school or
Elementary, ma'am.
okay, and you have any teaching job experience
No, ma'am.
or practice teaching? You don't have any?
Practice teaching,
You
ma'am.
said no. Okay, tell us about that experience in
Yes,
teaching. How long?
Actually, one semester, ma'am.
Around 6 months. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what grade are you teaching?
Grade 2.
And what subject are you teaching?
Actually, general education.
All subjects.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in one class, how many students you have or pupils you have?
Almost 50.
Oh, really? And you're the only teacher? So you can handle 50 pupils and mostly ages how old?
8.
Oh, so they're very playful and hard to handle. So in case you can go abroad and if there are also children to take care, are you willing?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the child?
I can handle from nursery.
How old?
5 years old.
5 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, aside from caring children, what else? What housework? Other housework?
Housekeeping.
Yeah.
Cleaning house, washing dishes, cleaning all around. Washing clothes, and iron clothes.
How about cooking?
Cooking.
You know how to prepare food?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience?
No, ma'am. Actually, from
Even your house, you're not
family experience, ma'am.
So you can prepare Filipino dishes.
Yes, ma'am.
But which do you prefer, cooking or caring children?
Training children.
But you need to do both,
Yes, ma'am.
or whatever employer will. So presently, are you working on it? Do you have any
Is Delgado, ma'am. As a cheaper.
cheaper in a department store?
Yes,
like that?
ma'am.
Okay, but anytime Hong Kong employer needs you, can you resign from this present job?
No, ma'am.
You cannot resign anytime?
No, ma'am.
Because you said presently you are employed. So why do you need to apply in Hong Kong if you cannot resign? I'm asking if you are ready or if you can resign anytime. Huh?
Actually, in contract.
So you finished contract already. You're not working anymore. Oh, okay. So you are ready anytime.
Yes, ma'am.
Still single?
Yes.
Okay. So what can you assure to the employer if they will hire you? What can you promise to them if they will get you as their worker there?
I promise to finish my 2 years
Of course. What
contract
else?
and then to do my best that I can.
Yes. Good luck to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.